Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm David, and I am so excited you're here today because we are diving headfirst into the ultimate swimsuit guide. Yes, we are talking about finding that perfect, I feel like a supermodel even if I'm just eating chips by the pool kind of swimsuit. It's a journey, I know. It can be a little intimidating, trying to navigate all the styles, the cuts, the fabrics. It's a whole thing. But don't you worry, I've got you covered, literally and figuratively. We're going to break it all down, piece by piece. Think of me as your personal swimsuit guru, your swimwear spirit guide, well, you get it. We're going to explore everything from the classic bikini to the ever-so-chic swim dress, and we're going to have some fun doing it. My goal here is to make you feel confident and amazing, because you deserve to strut your stuff and soak up that sun without a single worry. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's find the suit that makes you feel like the 10 out of 10 you are. Oh, and by the way, for all my friends who need them, subtitles will be running throughout the video so you won't miss a single juicy detail. I want this to be a super inclusive and helpful space for everyone. We're going to look at what makes each style unique and who it might work for. But remember, these are just guidelines. The best swimsuit for you is the one that makes you feel incredible. Period. No rules, just good vibes and great swimwear. We're going to make this the best, most stress-free swimsuit shopping experience you've ever had right from your screen. Are you ready? Let's do this! Alright, let's kick things off with the icon, the legend, the bikini. When you think swimsuit, this is probably what pops into your head first, right? It's the classic two-piece, and honestly, its power is in its simplicity and its sheer variety. You've got your triangle tops, your bandeaus, your underwire styles that offer more support than some of my exes. And that's just the top half. The bottoms are a whole other universe of possibilities. String ties, full coverage, cheeky cuts. You can literally mix and match to create a look that is 100% you. It's the ultimate customizable swimwear experience. So who is the bikini for? Honestly, it's for anyone who wants to wear one. That's the tea. But if we're talking specifics, it's fantastic for people who want to maximize their tanning potential, get that golden glow with minimal tan lines. It's also perfect for anyone who loves to play with fashion and create different looks. If you have a smaller bust, a simple triangle top can be super flattering. If you're blessed in the chest department, look for styles with thicker straps or underwire for that extra lift and security. It's all about finding the combination that makes you feel secure and ready to slay. The beauty of the bikini is its boldness. It says, "Here I am, world." It's a statement of confidence. And don't let anyone ever tell you that you need a certain body type to rock one. That is old, tired news. The modern bikini is for everybody. It's about celebrating your shape, feeling the sun on your skin, and having the freedom to move, dance, and swim without a care in the world. It's less about the amount of fabric and more about the amount of fun you're having. So if you're feeling it, go for it. Now let's talk about the sophisticated older sister of the swimsuit world, the one piece. For too long, the one piece got a bad rap as being boring or matronly, and I am here to personally shut that narrative down. The one piece of today is sleek, it's sexy, it's incredibly versatile, and it is a powerhouse of style. It's the little black dress of swimwear. It can be demure and elegant, or it can be jaw-droppingly dramatic with plunging necklines, high-cut legs, and crazy cool cutouts that are basically wearable art. It's a whole mood. One of the biggest selling points of the one piece is the sheer support and comfort it offers. Everything is held in place, You can dive into a wave, play a game of beach volleyball, or chase a toddler around without worrying about a wardrobe malfunction. It's that reliable best friend who always has your back. Many styles also come with built-in tummy control panels or ruching, which is a design miracle that smooths and flatters in all the right places. It just skims over your body, creating this gorgeous, elongated silhouette that is universally stunning. This style is a timeless choice for a reason. It has an air of classic Hollywood glamour, but it's also incredibly modern. It's perfect for someone who values both style and function. It's for the person who wants to look effortlessly chic while being able to actually swim and move. Whether you're lounging by a resort pool or taking on some serious waves, the one piece delivers. It's a testament to the fact that you don't have to show a ton of skin to be the most captivating person on the beach. It's all about the cut, the confidence, and the class. Okay, let's get into what I like to call the brilliant hybrid, the best of both worlds, the tankini. What is a tankini, you ask? It's genius, that's what it is. It gives you the coverage of a one-piece on top, with a tank-style top that comes down over your midsection, but it has the convenience of a two-piece because the bottoms are separate. Why is this so great? Let me count the ways. First and foremost, bathroom breaks. Need I say more? It's a simple thing, but on a long beach day, it is a game changer. No more awkward full-body shimmy in a tiny bathroom stall. The tankini is the undisputed champion for active days. If you're someone who loves to be on the move, maybe you're paddleboarding, building an epic sandcastle with the kids, or just doing some serious beach yoga, the tankini is your girl. The top stays put, offering coverage and support, while the separate bottoms give you a full range of motion. It's that perfect blend of modesty and mobility. You get the freedom of a two-piece with the "I'm not going to flash everyone" security of a one-piece. It truly is a marvel of swimwear engineering. And let's not forget the style factor. Tankinis have come so far from the basic, boring styles of the past. Now you can find them with beautiful flowy tops, handkerchief hems, sporty racerbacks, or fitted tops with built-in bras. You can mix and match the bottoms just like you would with a bikini to create a custom look. It offers a little more coverage around the tummy area, which can be a huge confidence booster for a lot of people. It's the perfect choice for someone who wants to feel comfortable, covered, and completely free to have fun. Let's talk about the glorious, the glamorous, the incredibly flattering high-waisted bikini. This style is a direct callback to the pin-up glamour of the 40s and 50s, and it has made the most spectacular comeback for a very good reason. It looks amazing on so many different body types. The magic is all in the bottoms, which sit at or sometimes even above your natural waistline. This design is pure genius. It cinches you in at your smallest point, creating that coveted hourglass shape. The high-waisted bottom highlights your curves in the best way possible. It hugs your hips, defines your waist, and provides fantastic coverage for your lower tummy. This can be a major source of confidence for people who might be a little self-conscious about that area. It smooths everything out and lets you feel totally secure and held in, without sacrificing an ounce of style. Paired with any kind of top, a cute little bralette, a structured bandeau, a classic halter, it creates a look that is instantly chic, polished, and put together. It's retro, but in a completely modern and cool way. This style is perfect for anyone who wants to add a touch of vintage flair to their beach look. It's for the person who wants to celebrate their curves and feel both sexy and supported. It's also incredibly comfortable. Because the waistband is higher and usually wider, it doesn't dig in or create unflattering lines. It just sits beautifully on your body. Honestly, if you've never tried a high-waisted bikini, I'm officially begging you to give one a shot. You might be shocked at how powerful and fabulous you feel. It's a total game changer. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about a style that is all about comfort and confidence, the swim dress. Now I know what you might be thinking, but let's erase any images of frumpy, shapeless things from your mind. The modern swim dress is cute, it's stylish, and it is an absolutely fantastic option for so many reasons. Essentially, it's a one-piece swimsuit with an attached skirt, or A-line overlay that flows over the hips, bum, and upper thighs. It's one of the most comfortable and easy-to-wear styles out there. The beauty of the swim dress is the extra coverage it provides. For anyone who feels a bit anxious about their hips or thighs, or just prefers a more modest look, the swim dress is a dream come true. It lets you walk around the pool deck or stroll down the boardwalk feeling completely at ease, like you're wearing a cute little sundress. But underneath that flirty skirt, you still have a fully functional swimsuit, often with supportive features like built-in briefs and molded cups. It's the perfect piece for transitioning from the water to the snack bar without needing a separate cover-up. But don't mistake coverage for a lack of style. Swim dresses come in so many adorable prints, fun colors, and flattering cuts. You can find styles with empire waists, fun pleats, and even sporty athletic designs. It's an amazing choice for water aerobics, a family vacation, or just for anyone who wants to prioritize comfort above all else. It gives you the freedom to relax and enjoy your day without constantly adjusting or feeling exposed. It's all about feeling cute, covered, and completely carefree. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour through the wonderful world of swimwear, from the bold bikini to the charming swim dress. I really hope this guide has helped demystify some of the options out there, and more importantly, made you feel excited to find a suit that you absolutely love. At the end of the day, all these styles are just different tools in your fashion toolbox. The most important thing is not what the label says or what style is technically best for a certain body type, but how a swimsuit makes you feel when you put it on. Does it make you want to do a happy dance? Does it make you feel like you could conquer the world, or at least that giant wave? That's the one. So, my challenge to you is this. Be adventurous. Try on a style you've never considered before. You might be completely surprised by what you fall in love with. Go to the store, order a few options online, and have a little try-on party in the comfort of your own home. Put on some good music, pour yourself a fun drink, and make it an experience of self-love and discovery, not a chore. Remember that your body is a beach body just by virtue of it being at the beach. Your only job is to adorn it in something that brings you joy and confidence. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had the best time talking through all of this with you. Don't forget to check the subtitles for any extra tips or details you might have missed. If you liked this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which style is your personal favorite, or which one you're excited to try. I can't wait to read them. Now go forth and be the confident, sun-kissed superstar you are. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!